Dive into the world of the Kia Seltos, a compact SUV that's big on style and performance. This dynamic vehicle has been crafted to command attention, combining the agility of a sedan with the robust appeal of an SUV. With its distinctive design, advanced technology, and impressive fuel efficiency, the Seltos is a testament to Kia's commitment to innovation and excellence. So buckle up, because we're about to take a closer look. Stay tuned as we explore the exterior, interior, and performance features that make the Kia Seltos a standout in its class. The Kia Seltos isn't just any compact SUV, it's a design masterpiece on wheels. From bumper to bumper, the Kia Seltos is a testament to modern automotive design. Its exterior is marked by striking sculpted lines that give the vehicle a dynamic and assertive presence. The front of the Seltos is dominated by a bold front grille that is as eye-catching as it is aerodynamically efficient. One cannot overlook the Seltos' LED headlights and taillights. These not only provide excellent visibility, but also contribute to the SUV's modern and sophisticated aesthetic. The LED lights with their crisp illumination are a beacon in the night, guiding you safely on your way. Complementing the overall design are the alloy wheels. These are not just functional, but also a design element that adds a touch of elegance and sportiness to the vehicle. They solidify the Seltos' stance on the road, making it a head-turner in every sense. The Seltos is also available in a variety of color options, allowing you to choose one that matches your personality and style. From vibrant hues to more subdued tones, there's a color for every taste. In terms of dimensions, the Seltos strikes a balance between compactness for city driving and spaciousness for comfort. It's a vehicle that's designed to fit into your lifestyle no matter where your journey takes you. With its bold design and premium features, the Kia Seltos certainly makes a statement on the road. Step inside the Kia Seltos and you're greeted with a blend of comfort, technology, and style. It's clear that Kia has gone the extra mile to create an interior that not only looks good but feels good too. The first thing you'll notice is the spaciousness. There's plenty of room for 5 adults, with generous headroom and legroom to ensure a comfortable ride, even on longer journeys. The high-quality materials used throughout the cabin give the Seltos an upmarket feel. Soft-touch plastics, premium upholstery, and tasteful accents combine to create a cabin that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the touch. In the center of the dashboard, you'll find the advanced infotainment system. It's intuitive and easy to use, offering seamless connectivity with your devices. Whether you're catching up on your favorite podcast or navigating to your next destination, the Seltos has you covered. But it's not just about comfort and technology. The Seltos boasts a host of convenience features designed to make your life easier. From the automatic climate control to the push-button start, every detail has been designed with the driver in mind. And let's not forget about safety. The Seltos is packed with advanced safety features to give you peace of mind on the road. And when it comes to cargo space, the Seltos doesn't disappoint. The generous boot and versatile seating arrangement mean you'll have no trouble accommodating all your luggage. The Kia Seltos offers a comfortable and connected driving experience, wrapped in a stylish and functional interior. Under the hood, the Kia Seltos is all about delivering a dynamic and efficient driving experience. It offers 2 engine options, a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine and a turbocharged 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine, each balancing power and fuel economy seamlessly. The 2-liter engine gives a solid performance with impressive fuel efficiency, while the turbocharged version steps it up a notch, offering more power for those who crave a spirited drive. The Seltos comes with an intelligent variable transmission, offering smooth acceleration and an engaging driving experience. Its well-tuned suspension and agile handling make it a joy to drive, whether you're on a smooth highway or tackling rougher terrains. The Seltos doesn't shy away from different driving conditions either. With its Drive Mode Select feature, you can customize your drive to suit your style and the road ahead, choosing from modes like Normal, Eco, and Sport. Whether you're navigating city streets or taking on the open road, the Kia Seltos delivers a performance that's as impressive as its looks. The Kia Seltos is more than just a compact SUV. It's a statement of style, comfort, and performance. It's a marvel with its eye-catching exterior, boasting sleek lines and modern design elements. On the inside, it's a sanctuary of comfort, packed with top-notch amenities and advanced tech features. But it doesn't stop there. The Seltos is a powerhouse on the road, delivering impressive performance and handling. In the Kia Seltos, you'll find a compact SUV that offers big advantages. From style to performance, it's a vehicle that truly stands out.